Really excited today. Toshiba sent me this toaster oven so that I can show it to you guys. It's got a lot of the latest features and we're going to show it to you right now. On the end here we've got the specs. It's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1750 watts. It's powerful. That's a good looking toaster oven. It's going to look good on any kitchen counter anywhere. It comes packed with a bunch of accessory trays. Let's get this out of here. Oh, this is fabulous, having these baskets for chicken nuggets and fried chicken, stuff like that. That's a great accessory to come with it. Here's a baking tray. We're going to be using this one in just a couple of minutes. Drip tray, standard rack, and of course an owner's manual. And as you can see, it's got a large interior, so you have no problem at all on pizza night. Pizza night is on. You plug it in, the screen comes on. You control the functions with the dial. You have these touch controls on the bottom. Preheat, air fry, toast, bake, roast, broil, pizza, warm, reheat, and dehydrate. I like a toaster oven that's got a dehydrate function. Today, we're going to make us some take and bake garlic bread. We're going to set the temperature to 350. We're going to set the time to 10 minutes, and we're going to hit it. You can see it browning up. Time to open it up and take our garlic toast out. Hot, hot, hot. Mmm. Mmm. That was good. Now I am going to use the same toaster oven to make a Parmesan crusted chicken breast cutlet. You can see the nice piece of chicken. Mmm, fantastic. So good. I'm going to enjoy my dinner with the garlic bread and the Parmesan crusted chicken that I made with the Toshiba toaster oven, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make it.